So you're headed out to the Colorado River. Congratulations, it's one of California's best kept secrets and a great place to visit. Today in our video, we're gonna show you exactly how to pack for the river to keep your clothes dry and also show you just a few more highlight items for the river. To start, you're going to want to have a wide-brimmed hat. The wider, the better. You can also use a baseball hat and a pair of sunglasses. Additionally, you're gonna want some things to keep the sun off of you. A sarong is a great option to put on your lap, and then on top, what you'll want is either a simple hooded sun shirt, or if you don't have this, a perfect alternative is just a button-down collared shirt. You can dip it in the river, put it on, and create some great evaporative cooling. The next thing you'll want is a soft-sided duffel bag. You'll also need a 50-gallon trash bag or similar size, as well as just a few Ziploc bags. You're gonna put your clothes inside these Ziploc bags and you'll end up with things like your warm layers, your on-land layers, as well as your on-water layers. And additionally, you'll have your small hygiene kit. If you already own a dry bag similar to this, you can pack in your dry bag by placing all items inside. You'll roll it down, you'll clip it, and you'll be set to go. If you do not already own a dry bag, the next best thing is this duffel bag along with the trash bag. We'll show you real quick exactly how you want to pack that. With the trash bag, you'll place it right inside of the duffel. Once the duffel is lined, you'll take your Ziploc bags and place them inside. Once the Ziploc bags are in, you'll take those additional river items and place them on top. After everything is inside the bag, you'll simply take the trash bag and wind it up a few times. Now you're ready to close up your bag. Congratulations, you're packed for the Colorado River.